Welcome to Butler Hospital's new Memory and Aging Program Infusion Center. The goal of this new suite was to create a much larger, more comfortable space for the administration of investigational medications. We have 8 infusion bays designed by clinical staff that are bright, modern, and offer much more privacy to patients. This new space allows plenty of room for participants and caretakers to eat lunch, watch their own TV, play cards, or assemble a puzzle during their monitoring period. We've designed the space with improved sight lines for the care team to monitor participants and maneuver more effectively around the area. The new space allows room for additional vital screenings, EKGs, and blood drawers with a lab processing room now within the infusion suite. Our reception team and care team are now able to work hand in hand in the same space, allowing for an improved participant experience.